Imagine having an extra pair of hands to manage your emails, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most. Our email manager is designed to do just that. It takes care of the thinking, analyzing, and drafting for you, so you can prioritize your tasks and boost your productivity. With our AI-powered email management system, you can automate repetitive tasks, personalize your responses, and ensure timely follow-ups. This means you can provide better customer service, build stronger relationships, and drive more sales. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are substantial. Now, let's take a look at a real-life example. Suppose you receive a sales inquiry email from a potential new customer. You want to respond quickly and professionally, but you don't have the time to craft a personalized email from scratch. As you can see on the screen, our AI has drafted a response in just seconds. With a few minor modifications, we're ready to send it off. It saves you time, reduces the risk of errors, and ensures that your customers receive timely and relevant responses. So, how does it all work? It's simple. Our system manages your existing email client, analyzes incoming emails, and generates personalized responses. With just a few clicks, you can review, modify, and send responses. Contact us to schedule a demo so we can transform your email inbox and take your business to the next level.